Hi guys, welcome to Digitally Grow. Today I show you the best plugins that helps you to develop and grow your website. So let's get started. Plugins are important to design, security and the visibility of your website. So I show you which plugins help you to cover these all criteria. After successfully logging into WordPress, go to Plugins and click Add New. Then search for your security plugin. So we choose here WordFence. So search for WordFence. This is the security plugins. Okay, it helps you to secure your website. In previous video, I show you how to secure a website with 2FA authentication and change your URL of WordPress login dashboard. So click on I button and secure your website without any premium plugin. So the next plugin that helps you to design your website is Elementor. So search for Elementor. So this is Elementor website builder. It's help you to design your website in premium level. Okay, this is a premium WordPress plugin, but if you want to use this plugin at free of cost, then you need to install two more plugins, that is essential add-ons for Elementor and premium add-ons for Elementor. These two plugins helps you to use Elementor website builder at free of cost. So I install these three plugins because I want at free. Okay, so install now. Click on install now and click on install now. So three plugins are installed but not active. Now I activate these three plugins at same time. So go to plugins and here is option install plugins. Click on it. Now select three plugins. Okay. Elementor add-ons for Elementor and premium add-ons for Elementor. Three plugins are selected. Then click on here and click activate and apply. Now set up these plugins. So I click here advanced, next, okay, all is good, next. Don't install it yet. Okay, we use other things, so don't install it yet. So click on next. So don't install any integration here because we use other plugins. So click on next and then click on finish. So our Elementor plugins are successfully installed. So the next plugin that helps you to increase your website loading speed, because website loading speed always impact your website visibility on Search Console. So here I choose two plugins, one W3 Total Cache and next is NitroPack. W3 Total Cache is a cache plugin and the NitroPack is a one type of CDN. So first check W3 Total Cache. So type here. So this is W3 Total Cache. It's a good plugin. If you set up properly, then it works really good. So the next plugin is NitroPack. So search for it. So this is NitroPack. It's a CDN. It's increase your website loading speed above 90. So this is a really good plugin. In upcoming videos, I show you how to set up NitroPack properly. So stay tuned for that. Next and most important plugin is Google Sitekit. It's help you to analyze your website performance and also index your WordPress website and blogs. In next video, I show you how to set up Google Sitekit and how to create analytics and Google Search Console account, and how to connect with your website. The second most important plugin is SEO plugin. So here I choose two plugins, Yoast SEO and Rank Math. Both are working really good, but now we choose Yoast SEO because it's simple and easy to set up. This is Yoast SEO plugin, the most popular SEO plugin, and the second most popular plugin is Rank Math. Both is free and also it has premium plan. This two SEO plugin free version has lots of features, but Rank Math has more features than Yoast SEO. Next plugin is Form Builder. So here I choose Fluent Forms because it's really simple to use and it has lots of features for customization. The next plugin is Backup plugin. It's help you to backup your website all data. In case you lost your website, the backup plugin help you to restore your all website data. Updraft Plus, one of the most popular backup plugin. It's not only backup your WordPress website data, also it's help you to migrate your website to one hosting to other hosting. And one unique feature is you can save your backup data into Google Drive. The next is themes. Which theme is good for your website? Always use lightweight themes because it's load faster than other themes. So here I choose two themes, WordPress and Astra. Both are good and lightweight. So here I choose Astra because in free version Astra has lots of features. So I install Astra. Also you can go for WordPress. It's also really good. So now install Astra. So go with appearance, themes, add new themes, click on that, and search for Astra. So this is Astra. Now install this, click on install. And activate. So our Astra theme is successfully installed. This is for today guys. In upcoming videos I show you one by one how to set up these plugins. So stay tuned for that and thank you for watching.